Ever wonder how a small tribe grew into one of the most powerful empires in history? Let's dive into the epic story of the Ottoman Empire in just 2 minutes. It all began around 1299 in Anatolia, where a warrior named Osman I laid the foundation for what would become a legendary dynasty. From these humble beginnings, the Ottomans began a relentless expansion. They captured the city of Bursa, making it their first major capital, and then did the unthinkable. They crossed into Europe. Their power grew and grew, culminating in 1453 when Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror captured the magnificent city of Constantinople, ending the Byzantine Empire and renaming the city Istanbul. The 16th century marked the empire's golden age under the reign of Suleyman the Magnificent. From the gates of Vienna to the shores of the Indian Ocean, the Ottoman Empire was a global powerhouse, a center for art, science, and culture. But no empire lasts forever. The following centuries saw a gradual decline. By the 19th century, it was often called the sick man of Europe, losing territories and struggling to modernize through reforms known as the Tanzimat. The final blow came with World War I. The empire, having sided with the Central Powers, was defeated and dismantled. But from its ashes, a new nation emerged. In 1923, the Republic of Turkey was established, marking the end of the Ottoman era and the beginning of a new chapter. What an incredible journey through 6 centuries of history. If you enjoyed this quick history lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Thanks for watching.